This is the afternoon edition of the Weather Xtreme video. This is for Tuesday, July 21st. I'm James Spann. Some pretty big storms in progress this afternoon. We'll see more of those tomorrow and Thursday. Heat levels coming down. The heat ridge weaker today. Air aloft a little colder. And accordingly, some pretty active storms. That was the way the radar looked this afternoon at 2:43. At that point, the bigger storms were from near Vinemont down to Carbon Hill, Eldridge, Reform, Carrollton, moving east. Nothing severe so far. Temperatures are mostly in the mid-90s, but again, for many spots, they'll be in the 80s by the time you watch this because of the effect of the rain. And again, highs tomorrow and Thursday should be pretty close to 90, and some spots might stay in the 80s on those days. Those heat indices across the Deep South, those will be ending tonight. Don't expect any more of those for the rest of the week. Convective outlook for the rest of today and tonight. A couple of marginal risks east and west of here, but tomorrow a marginal risk for a large part of Alabama. And some of the storms tomorrow could produce strong gusty winds, maybe a wet microburst or two. A lot of lightning, heavy rain. Day 3, which is Thursday, a marginal risk for parts of central and south Alabama. Here's the overall rain for the next 5 days, valid through Sunday morning. About 1.5 inches for most spots. Some locations could see 2 inches where they get the big downpours. And the tropics, pretty quiet today, as has been the case for a while. Don't expect anything out there anytime soon. Hey, model fans, the GFS, this is the 12Z run, valid tomorrow at 1 o'clock. And you can see the heights are way down. And down below that, we'll expect a number of showers and storms developing during the day. Can't promise rain for everybody, but it should rain in many places, and the high will be close to 90. That's a little below average for this time of the year. Same thing Thursday, scattered to numerous showers and storms. The GFS is printing a high of 89. And then for Friday, there's still a pretty good moisture axis in place, so scattered to numerous showers and storms with the high close to 90. So really for the next 3 days, kind of unsettled. This is Saturday as the weekend begins. The ridge begins to rebuild. And accordingly, heat levels creep up a little bit. The coverage of the showers will decrease a bit. Mid-90s with widely scattered showers, and the same thing on Sunday. Could there be a storm? Absolutely, but just not as many as what we expect over the next 3 days. And for Monday of next week, classic summer weather. Partly sunny, an afternoon storm in spots, and the GFS is printing a high of 93. Tuesday of next week, ridging over much of the Deep South, and again, that classic summer weather. End of the forecast, end of the month, Friday, July 31st. And again, you can see we've got the 594 heat. It's pretty far to the west, but obviously we're under ridging, and that, again, just looks like we'll see a few scattered showers and storms about. Temperatures over the next 15 days, highs mostly in the 90s, lows mostly in the low 70s, and that is just a little above average for this time of the year. That's it for the Weather Xtreme video today. We'll have notes in the blog. Next video here by 7 o'clock tomorrow morning. If you can catch us this evening on the live stream or the television side, ABC 3340 News at 4, 5, 6, and 10. Thanks for watching. Have a great evening, and God bless.